The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Everyone is talking tech, and our aggressive growth strategist, Brian Boland, is no exception. You have a couple of tech-related stocks here that you're going to profile for us.
Yeah, tech is a hot little space right now. I think it's been hot for quite a while.
Yeah.
It's been leading the S&P 500 higher this year.
And from what I'm told, not showing any signs of cooling off anytime soon.
Exactly. And one of those spaces in tech that's very hot is semiconductors. And it's been that way for, a good 2 years almost now.
Right.
But I'm looking at one of these names that is in semiconductor capital equipment. And what that means is basically these are the ovens that help the pizza makers make the pizzas.
Okay.
If you think of the chips as pizzas.
Okay.
It's a way of thinking about it.
You can think of it any way you like.
Anyway, right? Still as confusing as anything, right?
Whatever makes sense to you, you're the strategist.
Right, and our first one is Ichor Holdings. It is a Zacks rank #1 strong buy, which almost all these stocks are, but it has the very important A for growth, and this is aggressive growth, so that makes sense, as we know. The company is actually reporting earnings tonight, so we have a little bit of softness in front of the report. And today, Terry, is
November the 9th.
November the 9th, as we can see right here, November 9th.
Right.
A little bit of softness here in front of the report, and we've been seeing a little bit of report and then fade. So these stocks are reporting, and then there's a little bit of a fade trade thereafter. Let's take a look at the estimates. We can see this quarter just has inched up recently, from the last, say 2 weeks ago, moved up from 62 to 63 cents. So there's our estimate positive revisions here for this year. And then for next year, kicking out just a little bit higher from 295 to 303. This year also seeing a little bit of a move higher. If we take a look at the chart here, this is a rather new company, been around just about a year. So this will be the fourth report. The first one, small miss there according to Zacks, and then a meet here, and I think that was a small positive surprise. Obviously, estimates moving higher for this one, the stock pulling back of late, so I like this name to beat tonight.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on it.
We'll see what happens.
The next one, AppFolio, that's a semiconductor company too?
This is a internet name that is in and around the space of property management. Internet software is what we're going to call it.
Okay.
They have already reported for the quarter, so that takes a lot of the guesswork out of this one. And it was a good report with a beat and raise. And you know how we love those types of things, Terry.
At least you.
At least I do, right?
Right.
And it is a Zacks rank #1 strong buy. And it has that A for growth and that F for value.
Right, divergence.
Divergence, Terry.
Right.
I love that divergence. That tells me right away that I'm on the right path here, because growth investors and value investors are inherently looking for two different things. Stock is down to 41.50. So let's take a look at what's been going on with the estimates. We can see this year it really hasn't changed here. The beat and raise just happened very recently, so we haven't seen the estimate revisions really kick in on this name yet. But we can see that beat that just happened was a big one. 85% positive earnings surprise, and that follows a string of other very recent, very strong beats. If we take a look at the chart here, boy, it's up, up, and away here. All sorts of beats, all sorts of earnings estimate increases. But we see the stock really peaked out here at $50 a share, trading back around 41. That tells me that this pullback here is probably a good time to take a deeper look at this stock.
Okay. Good name for a TV show, Divergence.
Yeah, or a movie maybe.
Yeah, you never know. Do you own either of these?
I do not personally.
Okay. That's all I need to know.
Okay.
Thanks for that. And don't forget, always more stock information on our website, Zacks.com. Get on over to the homepage and check it out. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.